Hello guys, in this video I will show Snapchat login problem, solve problem. So open your Snapchat apps. Click on continue with Google. Select your Gmail account. See this problem. Due to repeated failed attempts or other user activity, your access to Snapchat has been temporarily disabled. Learn more here. Okay, back now. Open your Play Store apps. Search Snapchat. First of all, update your Snapchat apps. Back now. Now open your mobile settings. Scroll down. Click on apps option. Search Snapchat. Snapchat all notification is allowed. Back now. Snapchat all permission is allowed. All permission is allowed. Click on storage option. Clear cache. Now open your Snapchat apps and try again. Continue with Google. Select your another Gmail account. Now tap on your birthday and I hope 100% solve your problem. Thank you.